Coral reefs, often called the rainforests of the sea, are among the most vibrant and essential ecosystems on Earth. Housing an incredible diversity of marine life, these underwater structures serve as food sources, breeding grounds, and protective shelters for countless species. Let's dive into the fascinating world of coral reefs and explore 10 marine species that depend on them for survival. Clownfish are the unmistakable stars of coral reefs, thanks to their brilliant hues and unique behavior. These small, bright fish live in symbiotic harmony with sea anemones embedded in the reef. The anemone's stinging tentacles shield the clownfish from predators, while the clownfish provide food scraps and aeration for the anemones. Their close partnership is a perfect example of nature's interdependence. Parrotfish are the unsung heroes of coral reef ecosystems. Famous for their vibrant colors, these fish graze on algae that grow on coral, preventing algae overgrowth that could suffocate the reef. As they feed, parrotfish also ingest pieces of coral, grinding it into sand. Over time, this process helps shape and maintain reef structures, contributing to the very foundation of these habitats. Butterflyfish, with their striking patterns and small size, are not just beautiful to look at, they also serve as indicators of reef health. These fish feed on coral polyps and small invertebrates, thriving in diverse and healthy reef environments. A decline in butterflyfish populations often signals stress or degradation within the ecosystem, making them an important species for monitoring reef vitality. Manta rays glide gracefully over coral reefs, relying on the rich abundance of plankton found in these areas. These majestic creatures, with wingspans that can exceed 20 feet, filter feed on plankton, which thrives in the nutrient-dense waters around reefs. Their presence highlights the interconnectedness of marine ecosystems, where coral reefs indirectly support even the largest ocean dwellers. Sea turtles. Hawksbill turtles, a critically endangered species, find both food and shelter in coral reefs. Feeding on sponges and other invertebrates growing on the reef, these turtles play a crucial role in maintaining the ecosystem's balance. Juvenile turtles often develop in the safety of the reef's complex structure, which shields them from predators during their most vulnerable years. Reef sharks. Reef sharks, including blacktip and whitetip species, are vital for maintaining ecological balance within coral reefs. As apex predators, they regulate fish populations and prevent overgrazing on the reef. Their presence ensures that no single species dominates, keeping the ecosystem diverse and thriving. These sleep hunters patrol the reef day and night, silently playing their part in its survival. Moray eels are perfectly adapted to the coral reef's maze-like architecture. With elongated bodies and sharp teeth, these stealthy hunters hide within crevices and ambush their prey, which includes fish, octopuses, and crustaceans. Their role as predators helps control the populations of smaller species, contributing to the reef's ecological balance. Octopuses. Reef octopuses are renowned for their intelligence and ability to blend into their surroundings. Their color-changing and texture-altering skills allow them to evade predators and sneak up on prey. Coral reefs provide octopuses with a buffet of food options and plenty of hiding spots, making these ecosystems vital for their survival. Christmas tree worms. Named for their spiraling, tree-like appearance, Christmas tree worms are tiny but crucial reef inhabitants. They burrow into coral heads and use their colorful, feathery appendages to filter plankton from the water. These worms not only contribute to the reef's biodiversity but also play a role in keeping the water clean and nutrient-rich. Coral reef crabs. Crabs like the porcelain crab and banded coral shrimp act as the reef's cleaning crew. They feed on algae, detritus, and parasites, maintaining a healthy environment for both themselves and their reef-dwelling neighbors. In turn, the crabs find food and protection within the reef's intricate network. Despite their importance, coral reefs face unprecedented threats from climate change, pollution, and overfishing. Rising sea temperatures cause coral bleaching, a phenomenon where corals lose their symbiotic algae and, ultimately, their vibrant colors and life. Without immediate conservation efforts, the delicate balance of these ecosystems could collapse, threatening the survival of the species that depend on them. Protecting coral reefs isn't just about saving one habitat. It's about preserving the vast marine biodiversity that sustains ocean health. From reducing carbon footprints to supporting marine sanctuaries, everyone can play a role in ensuring these underwater rainforests continue to thrive for generations to come.